Hate to say it, looks like a hot summer could mean a costly winter for many people. How can that be? Linda Bell explains the connection in the Bloomberg Money Barometer.
Good morning. Federal Reserve Chairman Alan Greenspan says the recent rise in gas prices means consumers can expect significantly higher heating bills this winter. Greenspan says the weather will be the main factor in determining gas prices in the coming months. A hot summer followed by a cold winter could send natural gas supplies lower and in turn push prices higher.
Station is participating in the test of the emergency alert system. This system will quickly provide information to the public during emergencies. If this has been an actual emergency, such as a hurricane, tornado, or other emergency conditions, official messages will follow the alert tone. This test was brought to you by the Texas Department of Public Safety and the Texas Division of Emergency Management. Once again, this is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
On travel, Dennis.
No rock and roll in the eastern seaboard. Looks like they might find a few scattered showers, including New York City. I think that'll be popping up later in the day out on Long Island this morning. Philadelphia and D.C., showers in your offing primarily this morning. Take along the umbrella and we'll keep you updated.
And we'll keep you updated tomorrow morning starting at 5 on First Outlook. Thanks for joining us, everyone.
Goodbye.
Have a safe day. And